What's up, guys? Those are my ladders. I need to forge to the center, make all that flat. That forge, those dies are cold, and they suck the heat right out of that metal kind of quickly. Everything that the dies didn't touch is still hot. Everything the dies did touch is much cooler. That needs to be heated back up. Alright, as y'all can see, we're getting somewhere, but we got a ways to go. I don't want this video to be 10 minutes long and the same thing. I'll show you guys some progress after the fact. Thank y'all.